Guys, welcome to the channel. We're in the shop today looking at a Stihl HS56. Just wanted to give some quick tips if you own this unit or one that is similar. And right, we're getting into spring. You're maybe haven't tried to start it or you're thinking about it. Just want to go over 3 simple things that you could do as a business owner or homeowner if you want to save a couple bucks. Obviously, you can always bring it to the professional and we can go through it. Now, this needs more work than what I'm going to show you, but for you in this kind of short overall, you guys will be able to, you could do these things yourself. First thing you need is that Stihl wrench with the torque bit on the end, all right? This is what you're going to need to basically replace everything. So as far as the air cover goes, takes the torque bit, take it off, right? Beginning of the season, check your filter. That air box cover is full of junk. This filter is full of junk. It's full of oil. We're going to replace that so they're ready for their season. You're going to come over here. You can flip this guy on its side, and this is your exhaust, and your muffler comes down right here. This piece will potentially be in here on the side, okay? This has your spark arrestor and screen. You can see this one is really clogged up. Now you can do one of two things. You can go to your dealer, order up a new one, or soak this guy in some CRC brake parts cleaner, the red can, non-flammable, and scrub it down with a bristle brush. Sometimes they come out looking brand new, but if not, you know, you can order one up. The next step to getting your unit ready for the season, looking back here from the handle, popping this flap open on the side. Depending on the unit, you may or may not have this. Your spark plug's in here. Again, take your scrunch, pull out your spark plug. Take a look at it. This one has been well used and worked over. Lots of carbon buildup, a lot going on. Now, we can clean it or replace it. Chances are, you know, we'll replace this just to make sure this machine is running at its peak. But as a homeowner, you can clean it, and a lot of times you can get good results. That's it, though. Just wanted to make a quick video, guys. Was it like less than 5 minutes? Just giving you 3 different things. Actually 4. There is one more. Before you even try to start it, make sure you drain the gas from last year if you haven't already drained it. All right? The only time, this has got a lot of junk in this tank. The only time you could start this with gas in it is if you have Stihl pre-moto mix. The stuff you buy in the cans that's ready to go. That does have, I believe, a life of like 2 years once it's in a unit, and you get like a 5 to 7 year shelf life if the can's never open. So sometimes it's a good idea to like winterize these with just moto mix. Run it, it's in the carburetor, it sits for the off season. It doesn't usually get gummed up too bad. I've read about that, and I see a lot of other guys do that as well. So moto mix is a great option for the end of the season, kind of winterizing your machines. Hopefully this video will help you guys out, though. Get your Stihl HS56 hedge trimmers up and running for this coming season. Be sure to give me a like, hit subscribe, guys, and have an awesome day. Thanks for watching.